In this video, I'm going to show you a tool that lets you place objects quickly in 3ds Max. Go to the main toolbar and you can find Select and Place right next to the scale icon. You can also access it from the right-click menu under Placement. Okay, let's activate it. Now, here's something important. You don't even need to pre-select the object to use it. Just click on it and drag it. As I move it across the countertop, you will notice a couple of things happening. The object sticks to the surface and it rotates automatically to match the angle. So, if the surface is flat, it stays flat. If it is slightly angled, the object follows that angle. And you can see it adjusts automatically. If this doesn't look right on your end, it's usually because of the pivot or one of the placement settings. Let's see how to fix it. This tool uses the object pivot as a contact point. So basically, wherever your pivot is, that's what is going to touch the surface. So if we quickly change the pivot and test again, the placement, as you can see, is now positioned in the center of the object. And the next thing is that the orientation comes from the surface normal. So if we select the top polygon and flip it, and we use the tool again, we can see how the object is now following the ground orientation. Now, let's look at one really important setting that can save you a lot of time. Okay, let's right-click the Select and Place tool to open the settings. And here, we have one option called Use Base as Pivot. Remember the object with the pivot in the middle? Let's select that again. And let's try to place it again on the countertop. This time, you can actually see that even if the pivot is in the middle of the object, while we use Base as Pivot, the object is now going to sit perfectly on the surface. One common mistake is forgetting we have this off. So, if your objects are sinking into the surface, this is usually the reason. There is also Object Up Axis, which allows you to select a different orientation. But honestly, for most cases, just leave it at plus set. That keeps everything upright and behaving normally. Now, let's make this a little bit more practical. Let's start building the countertop. We can also use Shift and start dragging like a few duplicates here and there. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Instead of spending time adjusting every single object manually, you can just drag and place everything quickly, as we have seen. And using this tool, everything sits on the surface. Let's take a look at a few shortcuts that make this even faster. Hold Shift while dragging to clone the objects. Hold Ctrl to move the object up and down. And hold Alt if you want to prevent rotation. These are small shortcuts, but they can make a big difference when you're working on a full scene. Okay, so now a quick recap. Use Select and Place to quickly drop objects onto surface. If things don't sit correctly, turn on Use Base as Pivot. And use Shift to quickly duplicate props across your scene. Once you get used to this, placing objects becomes really fast. And honestly, a lot more fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider supporting my work on Ko-fi/Archviz Explain. It helps me create more tutorials like this one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.